Number 19, Hakeem, EJ. 24.
Icon.
Jump ball.
Ah, puta, ang ganda ng jump ball. Aray ko, di pala. Uy,
Team
nice
Red
one.
gets the first possession. Passes to Martiner and
Nice one.
gets his first 2 points.
Ganda ng pasahan, nice one. Tapak, big man to ah. Ano si Icon? Hakim.
Hakeem, easy 2
Bika.
points. Jumper. We are done. Yeah, passes to Hayden. Casey looking for a pass. 15 to shoot. Anton looking for a pass. Passes to Casey. Passes back to Charles with a fake perimeter.
Shit,
No good.
sayang. Oh, wow.
Soriano. Kain. Wala. Rebound ni Cedric. Cedric all the way. Natape. There's a foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 7.
Reps.
Antonia for 3. No good.
Oh,
Number
no.
11. Pinasa.
Out of bounds. Nice pass. Grabe yun.
Out of bounds. Antonia. Passes to Cedric. Passes back to Antonia. Passes to Charles with a fake again. Second try. Yes, sir. 2 points.
2 points.
Charles Lita. 24. Pass Soriano. No good. Rebound to Charles. Passes sa kanyang kapatid. Pinasa kay Madlang Bayan for 3.
Oh, no!
Wala. No good. Rebound on number 24. Kind of loose ball. Passes to 15. Nakuha ni Charles. Number 8. Anton. Driving with a teardrop. No good. Hakim. Easy lang daw. Easy lang daw. Sabi ni Hakim.
Puta, big man, nagdadala.
Oh. Munti ka na. Backcourt violation. EJ. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. Soriano. Oy! Turnover. Red ball. Cedric. Naiwanan. Ball. 2 points.
Nakatanga lang tuloy yung video, gago. Ganda ng
Rubena
camera.
all the way.
Wow.
2 points. Stop dead ball ref. Stop dead ball ref. Antonia, tumatan siya sa gitna. Pinasa sa gitna, nakita si Aiden. Natapi. Ano ba? Stop ref.
Baba mo nga yung echo.
Eh, pre, baba mo nga. Eko, di ko alam yun. Eko? Oo. Ayun. Kulay ka.
Mga 3 pitik.
Aiden, pinasa kay Sentry. For a further 2 points. With the help of Team Green. And now, all the way up. But there's a foul. A touch. Stopping the fast break. Foul number 23. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Screens out. Hakim passes on to the left side, faking it all the way. Number 34. But there's a foul.
Travel ref.
Foul. Harten North. First personal foul. Number 10. Second team foul. 2 shots for number 24. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Charles going down to the lane, passes to the corner for his wide three.
Venga!
Cedric for three. Yes, sir.
Isaac.
Robeta. Robeta all the way.
Wow.
Kain, 2 points.
Burger ka sa akin.
Yeah. Litang. Casey. Madlambayan. Wide open three. No good. Hakif with the rebound. Number 11, Robeta. Boy, nakita si Kuya Noy. Aaron
Mo,
Sicon.
boy.
Yee, no good. Rebound ni Cedric. Cedric, nagmamadali. Madali sa foul.
Wow.
Number 24, blocking foul, Icon. First personal foul. Second team foul. Sub-rep, sub-rep. Sub-rep, sub-rep. Chado making his appearance in this first quarter. 5 minutes, 28
Oh, no.
seconds.
Yung dalawang
Into the ball
magkapatid.
game, mga magkapatid. Pwede magbigayan. May mas
Bawa,
mas.
matanda si Marcio eh.
Lita, hi there. Connection, no
Diba
good.
Marcia eh, din.
Number 11.
Sabi ng tata ko eh.
Passes to Secon. Secon, number 12.
Ba't mo siya
On
dapat
to the three. Wide open three.
Ay,
No good. Hyden with the rebound. Passes to Lita and Charles. Ang Kuya. Kuya Charles. Passes to
Yan
Lita.
yung pinanganak eh. Di ko
Back to center for three. Yes,
Burger!
sir.
Burger! Kuya Wewel! Sanay ako dito eh.
Guevara, 17. Passes on to the left side. Wide open three. Babawi ba? Yes, sir. 3 points.
Ready ako sa green. Itibong
Sorry.
lang ako.
Sige, boom boom lang ako.
Oi! There's a goal. Foul. Foul number 4, EJ. First personal foul. Third team foul. Hayden inbound. Yep. 10 seconds to shoot. Passes to Charles. Humanos na pasa.
Oh, no!
Kaya may out. Muli wala. Rebound ni Chalo. Nakita si number 4. EJ. Oy! Latape. Turnover. Out of bounds. Red team ball.
Eh, Charles, takin niya, Charles!
Side tayo. Kuya Charles.
Oh, Charles, takin!
Charles. Charles.
Very
for
good.
three. No good. Chado. Nakita si Robeta. Robeta, I think all the way. Yes, sir. 2 points. Time out now. Time out, ref. Time out. Kita. Maraming salamat sa Calamansi Drink. Care of the Black Team.
Dumak pa ako kanina. Kahit daw narinig mo ba?
Sorry, dumak pa ako kanina. Alright, on the 3 minutes, 40 seconds into the ball game, adding score 14-12. Mendoza onto the court. Hayden all the way. Oy! Ribalisado ang kanyang kapatid, Madlambayan. Number 11.
Tanga na, di ko nakita yung ball.
Number 11, passes to Pacho. For the wide open.
Venga!
Grabe naman! Bueno, mga kaibigan. Cedric. Pasa sa kanyang kuya. Kuya,
Bawi.
Yes, sir. 2 points. Lita connection. Grabe pa lang kapunan ngayon. Madlambayan versus Lita. Magkakapatid. Pinasa kay Padre sa pangat. For 3! Oh! Wala pa. Hinagplanta ang mga kaibigan Charles. Binababa ang bola. Charles, I think on the way. Huli wala. Rebound ni Hernandez. Pasa kay Chado. Chado. Number 11. Oh! No passport, traveling violation. Planting score, 16-15, favor of red team. Hayden, binababa ang bola. Pasa kay Cedric. Balik kay Hayden. Hayden. Nice fake. There's a foul. Foul. Loose foul. Number 12. Number 12. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shots. Stop dead ball.
Pinabonus na sa akin, no?
First shot is good. Stop dead ball. Ball ball. Second shot. Stop dead ball. Stop dead ball.
Patolisin mo, ha? Oh, ay, sigabo ko yung dulo.
Second shot, no good. Rebound the 11. Number 11, Robeta. Pasa kay Magabaya. Chado all the way sa kanyang kapatid. 2 points. Tiniraan ang kanyang kapatid na si Kuya. Hayden. Cedric. Cedric, I think all the way. And there's a foul number... Sige, pasok. Pasok. Penalty tayo number 17. First personal foul, pushing. Penalty po tayo mga kaibigan. Cedric on the line. Picture.
Hindi na daw sila lalabas.
Hindi nga, nagtitraining daw sa
First shot is good.
Masali dapat ako sa training yun. Kasi puro sila pamilya. Kaya naiya ako.
Okay, stop dead ball.
Second shot. Yes, sir.
Okay, stop dead ball. Ano?
Robeta, binababa ang bola. Guevara. Pinasa kay Chado. Pasa sa loob. Robeta, isa pa. Ganda ng push doon. Yes, sir. 2 points. Di pala push. Bump. Bump is the term. Cedric. Pinasa kay Alvin. Nasa loob. Balik kay Hayden. Nasa pick ni Guevara. Stop it. After it. I-cool down na lang. Cedric. Oy! Foul number 3. Hernandez. Reaching foul. Wala? Okay. Penalty. Team Green. 2 points. 2 shots. Para kay ating bunso, Cedric Litan. On his first attempt, yes sir. Second shot. Second shot, yes sir. Chado, binababa ang bola.
Masanay ako dito eh.
Pasa kay Hakim. 15 to shoot. Icon, wide open 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. Lamang na piso ang green team. 1 minute para sa ating first quarter. Cedric Lita, pasa kay Hayden for a wide open 3. Babawi. Icon, nakita si Chado. Andiyan ba si Belgrado? Wala. 2 points. Cedric. Pinasa naman sa kapatid ni Chado. Hayden. Kind of loose. Nakita ni Mike. Kuha pa rin ni Mike. Mike kuha kay Alvin. 15 to shoot. Cedric. Yes, sir! Ang daming fight to Cedric. 3 points. Wala na tayo shot clock mga kaibigan. 20 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Robeta. Ay, wala. Rebound ni Chado. And there's a foul. Grabe naman ang kuya and the adding connection na. Yeah, first personal foul, third team foul para kay Chado, 2 shots. First shot is good. Second shot. Shot on, no good. Icon, 20 Icon. Eto si Cedric. 7 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 9. Wala! Pinalik ng foul. 1. And that is the end of the first quarter. Adding score, 24-35.
Wala na. EJ, pinasa kay Icon. Icon receives. Tawid daw muna. 18 on the shot clock. Icon. Between the legs. Grab pass to Robeza. Robeza! No good ang reverse there. Recovers his own shot. Robeza nakuha ulit. Binigay kay Hakim. Hakim passes to Icon. Icon. Step jumper. 2 points. Icon. Assist by Hakim. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Green. Cedric spinning. Bombing everyone. Nakalusot. Nice move. Cedric Lita. Icon hands it off to EJ. 16 on the shot clock. EJ crosses over. Drops it to Hakim. Takes a three. Takes a three. No foul is called. Rebound Cedric. Cedric turning on the Jets. Cedric pinasa sa Kuya. Kuya Charles. It's short. Rebound Cedric. Cedric bumping. 2-4. Cedric Lidan. Team Red takes the lead just by 1. Robeza nag-aap ng bawi. Robeza takes a floater. No good. Rebound ni Hayden. Oh, nasakit ni Hakim. But Hayden recovers the ball. 16 on the shot clock. Charles to Cedric. Cedric. No good. Hayden takes the three. No good. Icon hands it off to Hakim. Hakim tumatawid. Hakim pulls up a jumper. It's good. AC, dito ka. Para makita kita. 2 points lang, 2 points lang. Lamang ulit ang Team Green sa Hayden. Fakes the 3 foul, number 4. Sabrep. Who's fouled it? 4. Pangin si EJ. Time out. Time out. And we're back in the ball game. Anton bigay kay Cedric. Cedric takes a 3. No good. Rebound Cedric. Cedric grabbing to the paint. No good. Tapik ni Casey pero nakuha ni... Ay, ni Chado. Chado binigay kay Hakim. Hakim turning on the Jets. Hakim bumping Casey. Good defense by Casey. Clean up by EJ is good. Muntik na mago ni Hakim. Anton hands it off to Charles. 17 on the shot clock. Charles finding someone. Finds Casey. Casey drops it off to Alvin. 10 to shoot. Anton binigay kay Charles. 7 to shoot. Charles, corner 3. No good. Sabrep. Pasok ang pasok. Labas ang labas. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko kita eh. Sabrep.
Okay na, Sed!
Pasok. Cedric out. EJ handling the ball. 18 on the shot clock. EJ finds Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy drops it up to Chado. Drops it up to Hakim. Nice play. Chado assists. 2 points for Hakim. Lead extended just by 5.
Time out nila.
What's the call, ref? 3-second violation. Shadow coming into the game with the blue. Get well soon. Buy your own tropa. EJ wants a screen. Gets the screen. 16 to shoot. EJ takes a 3. Foul. Number 23. Second person foul. Sabrep. Pasok ang pasok. Labas ang labas. First shot for EJ, it's no good. Second shot is good. Last shot for EJ. Oh, hindi. Pangalawa lang. Third shot to. Oh, Bakoy! Okay, mag-3 mo dyan. Lead is extended by 7. Charles receives it. Charles looking to pass, 13 to shoot. Charles takes a 3. Rebound by Alvin Santos. Gives it off to Casey. Casey passes to Anton. Gives it to Hayden. Hayden picked up by 3 defenders. Hayden takes a jumper. No good. Hakeem gets the rebound. Hakeem outlet. That's to EJ. EJ. 2 points. EJ Gallardo. Dead ball ko yan, dead ball. Hayden bumping his younger brother. Gives it off to Alvin. 14 to shoot. Anton takes a 3. Yes, sir! 2 points. Anton. Chado playing point guard. 18 on the shot clock. Chado gets it up to Kuya Noy. Kuya Noy drops it up to Icon. And then Nicholas Icon. 2 points for Soriano. Assist by Kuya Noy. 18 on the shot clock. Sub Hayden. Looking to pass, finds Anton. 10 to shoot. Charles driving to the paint. Stops. Pass it up to Anton. Anton, he check. No good. Casey. Oh! Sabret. Wala pa. Hindi. Unspot. He has 2 shots. That's Marlon. Yes, sir! Second shot for Casey. Yes, sir! Penalty. Lead is cut down by 7. Charles receives the ball. Last 5 minutes remaining. There's a screen from Casey. Takes a jumper. Yes, sir! 2 points. Charles rebound. EJ receives the ball. EJ gets a screen. Rolling number 18, but hindi nakita ni EJ. But finds Hakeem. Overshot it. Rebound ni Casey. Gives it off to Cedric. Cedric to Charles. Doesn't take it. Charles takes a jumper. It's short. Rebound ni Kuya Noy. Outlet pass to EJ. Trailing out. Time out left. Cedric, put it out. He wants an ISO. Cedric driving to the paint. Gets it up to the corner. Anton Yapa! 3 points, Anton Yapa. Sino pa left? Number 15. Sabret. First personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot for Anton Yapa. And bonus shot is still good. Line ball. Green ball. Well receives the ball. 20 on the shot clock. Well wants a screen. But what a move. And what a pass to Kuya Bobs. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. EJ takes a 3. It's good. 3 points. EJ Gallardo. Lead is back to 7. Cedric to Hayden. Hayden spinning. No trouble called. Pumping into the paint. Major move. Hayden. Adlam Bayan. EJ nakatanggap ulit. 16 on the shot clock. EJ wants an ISO against Casey. Casey staggering defense. No foul is called. Rebound Hakim. Hakim, 2 points. Cleanup is good for Hakim. 18 on the shot clock. Cedric almost lost the ball. Finds his Kuya. Takes the 3. Finds Cedric. Lead time connection is good. Assisted by Charles. 2 points, Cedric. Lead is cut down just by 5. EJ gets through the D. Kuya ball left open. No good. Rebound ni Charles. Charles slows down the pace. Casey gets the ball. 18 on the shot clock. Casey passes to Cedric. Cedric! No good. Rebound ni EJ. EJ turning on the Jets. EJ 4v3 situation. EJ ducks it off to Well for 3. No good. Rebound ni Anton. Anton ngayon nagmamadali. Anton pass it off to Hayden. Hayden against Kuya Noy. Bumping Kuya Noy. And 1. Who's on it? Sabret. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Hayden bonus shot. Is good. Lead is cut down just by 2. 46 to 44 left. 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Icon, 17 to shoot. Icon bumping Cedric. Lost the ball. Charles recovers the ball. Cedric going all the way. 2 points. Cedric rebound. Assist by Charles. Score is all tied up at 46. Well. Lost the ball. Casey gets the ball. Casey gives it to Cedric. Cedric hands it off to Hayden. No foul. No foul is called. Nakago ng Team Red. Foul.
Wow!
Who's called it?
Ang tigas mo.
59. Penalty. Sino foul? Man, sino foul? Si Kuya Bobs. Kuya Bobs, number mo Kuya Bobs?
Oh.
3.
Pininger.
Oo nga, penalty nga. Kuya Bobs, ilang personal foul? Second personal foul. Basket timeout rin ha, basket timeout. No good, rebound Robeza. Lamang ng isa ang Team Red. 15 to shoot. Robleso, wow, ang lamig ng hangin. Robleso bumping Casey. No. Shadow, timeout. Wala? Okay. Wala. No timeout. Sabret! Last. 59 seconds, pwede na. Yeah, pwede na. Yun yung sinabi. Hayden nakatanggap, 17 to shoot. Basket ka na ba? No good, rebounding Hayden. Sabret! Shadow in after sitting out for 3 minutes. Last 35 seconds remaining. Shadow. No good. Rebound Cedric. 2 points is good. Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Red. Robleso bumping the Litan brothers but lost the ball. Shot clock is off. 17 to shoot. Go. 12 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2. Doesn't. Huli. Blocked by Shadow. And we're back to the ball game. Team Red starts off the possession. Cedric, check sa jumper. No good. Rebound ni Robleza. Robleza turning on the Jets. Finds an outlet pass to Hakim all alone. No good. Rion Hakim. No good pa rin. Rion Hakim. No good pa rin. Rion Charles. Charles hands it off to Cedric. Cedric. Nagantay ng kakampi. Nakita niya si Charles. 78 to shoot. Charles to Alvin. Alvin back to Charles. 12 to shoot. Hands it off to Alvin. Alvin takes a jumper. It's no good. Rebound. Nagagawa ng dalawang magkapatid. Chado turning on the desk. Napitawan ni Chado. Hakim. Oh. Foul on the floor. Who's foul? Number 23. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Nagpaalam talaga ako.
Shot clock set at 15. EJ takes a jumper. It's no good. Roberto rebound. Binigay Chado. Chado assist to Hakim. No good. Clean up by Chado is good. Anton now handling the ball. Lead is cut down just by one. Lamang on Team Red. 14 to shoot. Hayden finds Cedric. Cedric wants a screen. 7 to shoot. Cedric drops it off to Hayden. Hayden fakes it. 3 to shoot. Hayden takes a jumper. It's good. Lamang on Team Red. Oy, Team Red. Vince, maganda ka muna, magbasa ka. 14 to shoot. EJ drops it up to Bob. No good. Rebound ni Hakim Guanchado. Bobs to EJ. Wants a screen. Gets a screen from Hakim. Drops it off to Robleza. Robleza driving to the paint. It's good. Assist by EJ. Cedric hands it up to Alvin. Back to Cedric. 15 to shoot. Stolen by EJ. EJ turning on the bets. EJ drops it up to the corner. Ball for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. Paco Hernandez.
Hindi naman nalito ka, no?
What happened? Naggulo. Stolen by Chado now. Robleza driving to the paint. Yes, sir! Yan ang score, official score kume. Ay, kume, ako yung krema. 55 galing mo, Crystal. Cedric may hawak, 15 to shoot. Cedric binigay kay Casey. Casey takes a jumper, no good. Spin right, rebound, pero nakuha ng Team Green. Robleza nagmamanaya, Robleza. Nabitawan ni Kevin Stolen by Cedric. Cedric turning on again. Cedric to Hayden. Hayden to Cedric. Cedric to Charles. Charles! Grabe ang takot na yun. Walang bola. Cedric takes a 3. It's short. Rebound ni Hakim. Hakim to EJ. Turning on just Hakim. EJ to post open 3. Patro Hernandez. Lead is expanding. It's extending to 10. 14 to shoot. Hayden nakatanggap. Hayden fighting through the D. No good. No foul. Scores. Chado binigay box. Ball stolen by Cedric. Cedric almost stolen by Chado, but assist by Cedric. 2 points for Hayden. Ito na, natapos na agad. EJ nagmamadali, takes the jumper. Short. Rebound ni Charles. Charles binigay kay Casey. Casey binigay kay Hayden. Picked up by EJ. With 15 to shoot. Last 6 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 10 to shoot. Charles binigay. Oh, natalikod si Hayden. His ball. Green ball. Robleza binigay kay Chado. Chado to Bobs. Yes, sir! Bobs is giving up to the third triple. Grabe ang kamay ni Kuya Bobs. Cedric, 10 to shoot. Cedric to Hayden. Hayden, binabawi ang tres. No good, rebound ni Casey. No good. Traveling violation.
Ito yan.
Hindi, hindi. Ego yan.
EJ hands it up to Pops. No good, rebound ni Hakeem. Two points, Hakeem.
Kala ko i-check na eh.
18 to shoot. Cedric dumps it up to Hayden. 13 to shoot. What's the call, Rep? Hakeem.
Saan daw kayo?
Sub, Rep. First personal foul. Team foul.
Lamig. Simoy ng hangin, sari-saring tan namin. Mga batang naglalaro ng mga kami.
First shot, no good,
Tagal makashoot.
No good.
Lamig.
Second shot for Hayden. It's good. Team shot down. That's by
Down.
12.
Kaya makashoot ka para di umalag.
EJ may hawak ng bola.
Tama.
15
Uy,
to
bago
shoot.
nga.
66 to 54 unscored.
Uy, parang uulan, pre.
Binigay kay Bob.
Ha?
Bob to Hakeem. Hakeem finding someone to pass. 7 to shoot. Hakeem spinning. No good. Rebound ni Hayden. Hayden turning on the jet. Mga ni EJ. Gives it up to Chado. Binigay kay Robezo to Hakeem. Hakeem spinning. Natuloy si Casey pero recovered. Nakuha niya Hakeem pa. And 1. Casey. Sabret. Casey, pang foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for Hakeem.
Bing, bing, bing.
It's good. Sabret. Last 4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Our score 69 to 54. 18 to shoot. Cedric receives the screen. Napitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Casey. Cedric bumping shadow. Binigay na kay Hayden foul. Number 24. Icon. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Second team foul lang pala. I'm sorry. First shot for Hayden. It's good.
Let's go.
First time na mga friendship. Bakit ako si
Second shot for Hayden.
Ano na mas medyo na pa.
It's no good, but gets its own rebound. Cedric for the floater, no good. Hakeem, outlet pass, sakto kay EJ. EJ takes a jumper. No good, and now rebound ni Casey, gives it up to Charles. Charles finds Hayden. Hayden takes a jumper. Yes, sir. Oy. $17 to shoot. Okay, tama ba yung game? 55 galing. Okay. Robeza drops it up to EJ. 10 to shoot. EJ takes a three. It's short. Rebound ni Alvin. Good box out. Gives it up to Hayden. Point on the shot clock. Last 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Alvin doesn't take a three. Gives it up to Cedric. 13 to shoot. Cedric, step back jumper. It is good. Lead is cut down just by 10. Referee timeout. Pulikat.
Po.
Oy, time. 20 on the shot clock. Whoever nagmamadali, whoever. Wow, who's on it?
Ow!
Set 8. Number 8. Number 8 foul. First personal foul, 13 foul.
First personal foul, 13.
Cedric Manning Chado. Nag-uusapan sila. Ano yung ilamin natin mamaya? 16 on the shot clock. Nakuha ni Rodeza. Binabump na si Alvin. Spinning is good. Rodeza 2 points. Shot clock set at 20. Charles hands it up to Cedric. Almost foul. Rodeza.
May nag-dribble pa rin.
Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Sayang.
Shot clock at 18. Hayden looking for someone to pass, finds Charles. 16 on the shot clock, finds Anton, gives it off to Cedric. 12 to shoot. Cedric wants a screen, but gets a 3, no good. It's off the ball. Rebound ni Chado. Chado behind the back. 15 to shoot. Chado to Icon. Icon to Weber. Open corner. Yes, sir. 3 points. Weber. Weber. Last 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 18 to shoot. Stolen by Robeza. Robeza turning on the Jets. Bumping on spinning. Yes, sir. 2 points for Robeza. Cedric now handling the ball. Gets it up to Anton. Back to Cedric. Cedric takes a jumper. It's no good. Robeza may hawak number 18 to shoot. Bigay kay Icon. Icon takes the jumper. It's up. Charles has the ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Our score 76 to 59. 15 to shoot. Charles nakalusot. Foul. Robeza again. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Charles gets it up to Cedric. 12 to shoot. Last 1 minute. Hayden gets the ball. 5 to shoot. Hayden, no good. Rebound to Icon. Foul. Separate. Cedric Mala. First personal foul, third team foul. Wala pa. Team Green warning for penalty. Icon rolls the ball. Chado gives it up to Icon. Hayden against Icon. 18 to shoot. Icon gets a screen from Kuimoy. But it's turned over. Stolen by Alvin Santos. Alvin Santos turning on the Jets. Alvin Santos hands it up to Hayden. Hayden takes a jumper. It's no good. Rebound to Chado. Last 24 seconds remaining. Shot clock is still on. Shot clock set at 17. Gives it up to Kuinoy. Kuinoy, no good. Rebound to Anton. Shot clock is off. Last 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Hayden stolen by his own brother. 5 to shoot. Double dribble. And that's the end of the third.
Tikim ako tila.
Nasaan ka mo?
Tikim lang.
Eh, basta na Bogi. Huwag mo nagulat. Basta na Bogi. 20 to shoot. Robeza nakahawak ng bola. Robeza 2 points. No good. Rebound ni Chado. No good. Rebound ni Charles. Charles gives it up to Cedric. Cedric 2v2 situation. Cedric. Cedric bumping up. Rebound. Second personal foul. First team foul. Shooting foul. Left shooting foul yun.
Sinalaman ko yun, Josh. Oh,
Yun. First shot for Cedric. It's good.
nagbibidyo ako eh.
Second shot by
Yo,
Cedric.
Josh, babot ka ako kay Pons.
Ay, dalawa.
It's good.
Robles na nagmamadali. Robles up. Hands it up. What's the ball? Same ball.
It's the same ball. What is this? I like this. Thank you.
Inbound pass to Robleza is good. Assist by Hakeem. 2 points for Robleza. 76-63.
Anton binigay kay Cedric. Cedric binigay kay ano? Kay
Try to shoot. Anton tumira ng tres. No good. Ni Casey hands it off to Charles finds Hayden. Hayden bumping inside the paint. But the whole ref foul on the floor. Wait lang. Ref, time out mo na ref. Wait lang. Nagkakagulo sa ano. Yan, okay na. Ano official score?
Boss ko! Boss!
Third person foul, second team foul. Wala pa penalty. Charles binigay kay Casey. Casey drops it off to Charles. Charles to Anton. Anton finds Hayden. 10 to shoot. Finds Anton. Anton takes a 3. 3 balls. Anton. Right. Hayden. Hakeem nakahawak. Back to Chado. Full court press. Icon nakatanggap. Icon all alone. Takes a 3. Takes a 3. It's out of bounds. Sabrip. Pasok. Labas. Kuya Martin, kamusta ang paa mo? Sama-sama tayong manood dito. Cedric splits the D. Whoa! 2 balls. Cedric Ulita.
what a nice move. That is very sexy.
17 to shoot, Chado against Cedric. Gives it to Bobs. 13 to shoot. Good defense by Cedric. 9 to shoot. Gives it off to EJ. EJ for 3. Yes, sir. Assist by Chado. 3 points. EJ, bell order. Humihina screen kay Casey. Cedric doesn't take it. Gives it off to Cedric. 12 to shoot. Gives it off to Hayden. Hayden fakes the jumper. 7 to shoot. Who's fouled? Alba? Okay, whatever. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Hayden looking for someone to pass. Finds Charles. 5 to shoot. Corner 3 for Cedric. Yes, sir. 3 points. Cedric rebound. Robesa against Casey. 18 on the shot clock. Robesa driving against Casey. Who's fouled it? Wait lang. Who's fouled it? Second person foul, first team foul. Our official score 81 to 69 in favor of Team Green. First shot for Robesa. It's good. Second shot for Robesa. It's out. Rebound, Cedric. Lead is extended to 13. Cedric driving to the paint. It's no good. Chado with a rebound. Chado turning on against EJ. EJ 2 points. 1 for 3. It's short rebound to Chado. Foul number 4. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Time remaining. Last 7 minutes remaining. Sobre.
Habol yan, oh.
Naman, di mo napanood yung first game.
Uy, nanood ako. Gawa ako dun eh.
Pink. Ay, pink pa nanalo, first game.
First shot for Chado.
Natalo pa.
First game, pink. Sino nanalo?
Second shot. First shot for Chado is good.
Paano pink?
Second shot for Chado. Basic. Nanalaw. It's good. 69 to 84. Nice score. 18 to shoot. Anton hands it off to Cedric. Cedric to Charles. Charles to Anton. 10 to shoot. Charles. Cross court. Gives it up to Hayden. Hayden. Nakalusot against his brother. Alvin. No good. Rebound with Robeza. Robeza turning on against. Robeza 3v3 situation. Gives it up to EJ. By Robeza. 2 points for EJ. Cedric draws it up to Hayden. Oh! Panis ang bunso. EJ draws it up to Hakeem. No good. Rebound. Rebound. Green balls. Mas nauna ako, sabi ng kuya. Chado may hawak, binigay kay EJ. Corner 3. It's no good. Hayden ngayon, bababa ng bola, turning on the Jets. Hayden. Hayden, jumper.
Let's go!
In and out. Rebound.
Let's go!
Cedric, no good. Rebound by Cedric. Cedric 2 points. Good. Good D. Oh, tipped by Charles. Good D. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds in the fourth quarter. Our score 86 to 73.
Overtime yun.
Wait, time out. Home court win, stop time.
Robeza nakawak, binigay kay Chado. Chado takes a 3. It's no good. Rebound Charles.
Kaya ba? Wow! Let's go! Time out, time out. Back to the ball game.
Lead is cut down just by 10 with 5 minutes remaining and 18 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. EJ ngayon may hawak ng ball. Screen by Robeza. 16 to shoot, EJ sizing up his opponent. 13 to shoot, EJ step back jumper 3.
Good.
It's off.
Good. Pagka ganun yan, step na. Masabi step yung muna.
5 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Cedric hands it off to Anton. 17 to shoot, hands it off to Cedric. Cedric to Charles. Charles, 13 to shoot. Charles to Hayden. Hayden. Yes, sir. He just comes on the play. Tao daw, sabi ng Team Red. Charles against Robeza. 19 on the shot clock. Robeza. Bumping Charles. 12 to shoot. Traveling.
Let's go!
Cedric handling the ball. Gives it up to Anton. Anton, 17 to shoot. Binigay kay Cedric. Cedric, open 3-point for Alvin. No good. Chado to Wewel ball. A long assist by Chado. 2 points. Well, Guevara. Wewel. Alvin may hawak. Binigay kay Cedric na ako ni Hakeem. Hakeem. Bumping Anton. Time out! Hayden hands it off to Cedric. 78 to 90. Still anyone's ball game. Cedric switch the D. Lost the ball. EJ hands it off to Weber. Weber running to the end court. Nice fake. It's short. Rebound Charles. Charles nakalusot. Switch it off to Hayden. Hayden popping up team. Kuha ni Chado.
Timeout namin.
EJ may hawak, 16 to shoot. EJ hands it off to Wewell. Wewell, 10 to shoot. Finds a team. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Hakeem finds Robeza. 1 to shoot. It's no good. Rebound Shadow. Shadow, binigay kay EJ. Wait man now, wasting time. 17 to shoot.
Okay lang ako. Tama.
12 to shoot.
Kung sino man nanalo dyan.
EJ against Charles. 8 to shoot. Charles, EJ nakalusot. Huli ni Hakeem. Foul. Celebrate.
Good foul, good foul.
Hakeem inbound play. Finding someone. Good. EJ, signature foul. Celebrate. Sino foul? Number 10, KC. Third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Ikaw mo, may juice pa.
Green to that. Lopez hands it up to team foul, number 10. KC again. Penalty na po ang team red. Hakeem, first shot is good. Extended by 13.
Mapipilitan kong makisarap ko. Nung tinatawag.
Hakeem last shot.
Ready?
Second shot for Hakeem is good.
Tapos na ano, no, nahabol mo. Geset lang gumawa. MVP ka.
Hakeem pinasok kay Anton, 13 shoot. Anton binigay kay Charles. Charles hands it off to Hayden. Hayden finds Cedric. Cedric for 3. Biggest step down, that's by 11. Still anyone's ball game. They can make a comeback. 19 to shoot. Charles against Robleza. Robleza. Against 10 to shoot. Hakeem nakakuha. 5 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. 3 to shoot. 1 to shoot.
Saka!
Violation.
Saka!
Our score 92-81 in favor of Team Green.
Let's go, Seth. Let's go!
80. Cedric for 3. Time out, Team Green. Isa lang po ang time out ng bawat team. Last score, official score. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Team Red is still in this game. 18 to Hakeem, mag-isa. Assist by EJ.
Okay lang.
Lamang mo yung isang pool.
One-man army.
Green. 17 to shoot. Cedric drops it up to Hayden. Hayden takes a jumper. Time is their enemy.
Wala pa yun, nag-iinit lahat.
Dead boy. 15 to shoot. EJ wants a screen. Doesn't get the screen. 10 to shoot. EJ drops it up to him. Stolen. Cedric going on the way. Drops it up to Miggy. Stolen by Chado all the way. Last 1 minute. Chado against No good.
Let's go. Nice one. When I'm in the show, they call me Stephen Curry.
Unless nandyan si Tima ka, maniniwala ako.
There's always miracles to me. Never doubt.
Siya na, si Kwesed yan. Tracy McCoy!
Second shot for Hakim is good.
Ayun na.
Hayden. No foul twice stolen by Wewen. Time is ticking. Namang ng 8 ang team